Hey, I'm here to kind of just talk a little bit about Jordan Mackey's Buy to 9 to 5 program. You may be wondering if this is something that you can do. And first of all, I want to say YouTube has so much potential. I've definitely learned a lot from this program, and now I'm implementing many of the strategies that I found useful in this program. One thing about Jordan is very concise. He's not one of those give you a bunch of fluff, stuff that you can't use, stuff that's not going to be relevant. And if something gets outdated, he sends updates as to new things and new programs. Once you kind of become part of this family, then you're going to be in the loop of any new ideas, new strategies that are also out there. Look, the cost is very affordable, and what you're going to get out of it, because remember, you're building something for the future. And so if anything that you're planning on receiving, you're going to have to invest in. So I would definitely recommend Jordan's program. I think, as I stated already, that it is one that is going to give you lots of information. Get ready in order to be inundated with so much information, but practical, clear, concise information, useful information that you'll be able to put into practice right now. And so I give Jordan thumbs up. Thank you for giving me some insights, things that I definitely needed, and things that I'm using even right now.